What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll explain how to get a creator code in Epic Games and also how to change your creator code later if you ever need to. To get a creator code, you first need to be part of one of Epic's creator programs, like SupportACreator or Island Creator. Once you're eligible and accepted into one of these programs, Epic gives you access to the creator tools inside your account. To set or change your creator code, start by going to the Epic Games website and logging into your account. After logging in, open your account page. From there, click on Creator Programs. Next, choose either the SupportACreator tab or the Island Creator tab, depending on which program you're part of. Inside that section, you'll see the option to enter or edit your creator code. Type in the creator code you want and follow the on-screen instructions. Epic will automatically check whether the code is available and whether it meets all the requirements. If everything checks out, you can lock it in instantly without needing to contact Epic Game Support. One important thing to know is that changing your creator code resets your supporters. If players were using your old code in Fortnite or Rocket League, they will not automatically carry over to the new one. Because of that, if you decide to change your code, make sure to let your followers and supporters know as soon as possible so they can update it. And that's it. That's how you get a creator code in Epic Games and how to change it directly from your account settings. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.